Welcome to the cooler report, and I'm going to introduce our newest steamers. And let's take a look at the units first. We have in these units, the bottom, they have the power connections using the 220 powers, and they have an enhancement for the switchers, can making more heat if you need more thing to cool together. And this is the temperature adjusters, the light sensors, and also the timers right here. And let's take a look at the overall heights first. And the unit's overall height is about like 61 inches in tall. And also the units, when you open the lids, you will find the accessories inside right here, the cleaners and the height adjusters right here. And also have the steamer pad, the mats. We're having 10 sheets right here. And let's take a look at the inner side overall sizes. The steamer pan about like 20 inches, the diameters, and the 4 inches deep. As you can see, the bottom, they have a small steamer pans right here. And the sizes for this is 11 inches. And for the bottom, it's about like 7.5 inches in depth and 21 inches in the diameters. That is the overall sizes and the function for the units. And if you do have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.